Okay, so I'm gonna pull 3 more tabs and then let's see where we're standing before I'm gonna go to regular bodywork for automotive. Wow, this popped pretty strong. Still I have a big crease line over there that I think it will take me with a regular bodywork tool about 5 minutes to fix. Let's hear this pop. Okay, this is still pretty deep. I'm gonna need to repeat this couple times. And then this is the other option. It's this tool that don't work for really good. It's like kind of the regular style of pulling dents, but it's not really working. The tabs keep breaking. See, you do that and it's pulled the entire thing out. It's not really working. I think the problem is the quality of those plastic. They just nothing stick to them. It's garbage. And now to the fun part, to remove again all the plastics, all the glues. You just have to spray a lot of rubbing alcohol, let it soak, and start peel it off gently. I tried to do this with my nails and I broke literally the nails really bad, so be careful. But as soon as a piece getting small piece will get a little bit alcohol under it, the entire thing is collapsed right away. So you just have to open a small piece of it and that's it. But it's looked much better than I started the project. But again, I'm experimenting with this to see if there is those kits that they sell actually work. And so far, I would say that I'm about 1.5 to 2 hour work with it. And I got excellent progress, but the problem is that the metal is so thick on this gas tank that it's not really cooperating a lot. It's moving in very small increment. The time that it's taken so far, I could have emptied the tank, washed it, did whatever I need to do from the inside, grind the outside, weld the tabs that I need, and actually pull it the right way. Now you can see that this looks much better right now. This entire area it was much deeper. So I did pull it, and I'm gonna keep pulling it off the camera because it's just taking a long time, and I'm gonna show you when it's done if it will be right. If it's not gonna be right, I'm still gonna show you and tell you that it did not really work. But so far it's kind of work. I would say that it's 50% work. If you have any question or comments, you can write below. If you do this kind of work yourself and you know better than I do what to do, just let us know. Again, this is something new that I'm experimenting with. I tried before on small dent on a car, it's working perfect, but on something like a gas tank for motorcycle, especially the British metal, that it's pretty thick, really hard to pull. But you can see that it did pull it. We got here a much smaller dent. You can see right now when it's drying. Okay, the dent got much smaller, but it's a significant dent. Like this is not, it's not even close to say that it's halfway there. So I'm gonna keep going.